Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Riley here. Welcome to another video. And in this video today, what I'm going to be talking to you about is how you can fast track your success as a social media marketing agency owner. Now, just before we jump into those tips today, if you are new around here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And if you would be so kind, a like would be greatly appreciated. And if for any reasons after you've watched this video you have any questions, I do get back to all of the comments in the comment section, so drop your comment down below as well. So the first tip I have for you today when it comes to fast tracking your business would be to model success. Now you can model success in a variety of ways, so I'm just going to give you some examples here. Let's say right now you're looking to start doing outreach for your business and you want to use LinkedIn. Well, the smart thing to do would, instead of spend hours and hours of your own time trying to come up with the best, testing it, well, why don't you find somebody on LinkedIn who is clearly killing it? They're clearly crushing it. You can tell by their profile, the way it's set up, that they're getting a bunch of engagement and a bunch of leads. We should probably start by modeling success. Take a look at their profile, see what they're doing, watch what they're doing, and then implement that onto your own LinkedIn profile. Now, I'm not saying here outright copy, because if you just copy everybody else, then you're not going to be any different. So put your own twist on it, make it unique to you. But the core principles that these people are implementing, you can definitely model that. Let's say same with Upwork outreach. Let's say you want to start getting clients on Upwork. You want to know exactly how you just should set your profile up. Go on to Upwork, create a client account, make a job posting, looking for a social media expert, and see who applies. Look at what cover letters catch your eye. Look at what profiles catch your eye. And again, model that success. What type of ad copy to set up? What retargeting ad copy to write out? Maybe you want to know exactly what type of social media posts you should be putting out for one of your clients. Do the research. Let's say you close a fitness brand. Find a fitness brand on Instagram that is absolutely killing it. Take a look. What captions are they writing? What questions are they asking people? What hashtags are they using? What type of content is performing the best? Model it and implement that in the content you put out for your clients. A little Google search, retargeting ad copy. See what comes up. Take a look at what you think's great. Look at some of the stuff that you don't think's that great. Model the good things, avoid the bad things, all right? So that is the first way that you're going to be able to fast track your success, is by simply modeling people who are already doing it great and putting your own twist on it. Now, the second way that you're going to be able to fast track your success is a really important one. And this is investing into a mentor. Now, think about it. If you want to learn how to drive, what do? You go to a driving instructor. You know, when you're really young and you first learn how to do maths and you learn how to read and write, what happens? You have a mentor, you have somebody to teach you how to read and write, you have somebody to teach you how to do multiplication. Let's say you want to become a doctor, what do? You go to school, you get a degree on and learn how to become a doctor. If you want to become a nurse, it's the same thing. You go and you get training from people. So why on earth do you think it would be any different when it comes to starting a business? You know, if you want to start an agency, you want to find people who have agencies, who already run successful businesses, and get mentorship from them. It is without a doubt the fastest way that you're going to go from here to here. Because trust me, when I first started out, right in the very beginning, I was trying to do everything myself. I had no direction, and things would take me months and months and months to learn for myself. But I could simply just find mentors, ask a question, get it answered, and I've immediately saved months and months of my life from trying to figure it out myself. You know, you want to learn the best sales techniques, ask a mentor. You want to know how to do outreach, ask a mentor. Find somebody that can guide you. Now, a mentor can come in many fashions. It can be through a book, it can be through a course, it can be through a coaching program, or in my personal opinion, the most powerful is to actually have somebody that you can reach out to on a day-to-day basis and ask questions from. You know, books and courses, and they're all great, don't get me wrong, but the best thing you can do is actually get a personal mentor. And you know that I know that this stuff works because not only did I do it myself, I actually run a mentorship business myself where I teach and train students just like you every single day to grow their businesses. I help hold their hand every single day. And you know, you can look at some of the results that they're getting. You can take a look here. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen from one of my students, Satchaji. He actually joined my mentorship group only 3 days ago. And within 3 days of joining, he already landed his first client at $1,100 per month. Why is that? It's because I taught him everything that I do on a day-to-day basis to get clients. I taught him it, and within 3 days, he started to take action. Boom, 3 days later, $1,100 in his bank account. Is that a coincidence? If you say so, I don't think it is. I think it's because, again, I've been in this, I've run an agency for 3 years, I gave him the advice, he went out and closed deals. And I see this happen over and over and over and over again, okay? Now you've also seen this happen in other areas as well. You know, I had one of my students, Michael, on the channel a few days ago, and you know, he said that he went from having 0 clients to landing over 50 clients in the space of a year and a half, simply because he got a mentor. So modeling success is great, but in my opinion, nothing beats having a mentor. Okay guys, so I hope you found a ton of value in this video today. Now, if you are interested, as I said in the second pointer there, in having me mentor you every single day, I actually recently released the Entrepreneur Accelerator mentorship group, which is actually only $30 per month. You know, before, in order to have somebody as a mentor, you know, you have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars every single month to join a high ticket mentorship program. Or perhaps you'd have to spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to join a program. And that's the exact reason why I created the Entrepreneur Accelerator for only $30 per month. So, you know, people who don't have that much money, but who are desperate to get started, can get a mentor. You know, I know when I started out, I didn't have a bunch of money to invest. So, you know, something like this back then would have helped me so much. So if you are interested in having me mentor you every single day for only the fraction of the cost of any high ticket course or high ticket coaching program, check out the Entrepreneur Accelerator down below. Not only do you get my daily mentorship and daily help, you can ask me anything. There's a bunch of other bonuses such as weekly live calls. We're going to do some events this year as well, completely free of charge, weekly trainings, daily value posts, networking, and much more. So again, for only the small cost of $30 per month, you can actually fast track your business and have me hold your hand to help you grow it. So again, check that out, top link in the description. If you do have any questions for me, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I get back to all of my comments here on YouTube. So if you need any help, you know exactly where to find me. Thanks again so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.